Is that the craziest thing you've ever seen or what? Grab yourself a nice cocktail and watch the magic unfold. Get it, boy! Get it! How are you? So we're just gearing up for Bali, trying to work out all the different gear we're taking. Essentially we'll be taking 2 drones, a Phantom 4 Pro and a Mavic 2. Launching! And then this is where my Phantom used to live, but I'm going to change this out, swap it out to put the Mavic in here as well as some of the other lenses for the Sony. The Zhiyun Tech, the crane, which is my favourite gimbal at the moment, and then also the Benro Aero 2. So this is a really cool travel tripod, very lightweight, which I usually just chuck in my check-in bag, it's that small. We just arrived at the Bali airport and we're waiting for Nick, Tim and Lauren to come out, eagerly waiting for them. Very, very excited. Woo! Can't wait. We're gonna have 5 nights here at the edge.
There's my taxi. Let's go. Taxi.
Merry Christmas, man.
Happy New Year.
Back at the edge.
This is just as a restaurant, or
No, this is our villa.
our
Yeah.
Thank you.
That is insane.
Thank you.
This is not ours.
This is a try not to swear challenge.
Yeah,
Yeah, cool. I don't know how.
Oh shit! I forgot I did that.
It'd be nice to have some just little videos on here as well.
Yeah.
Just
So-
for the website and
Photos in here, Nick. So, we've just had a tour of the villa. Everyone's slightly blown away. We've already started working. Over here, we're going to set up a bit of a charging stations. We're going to put all our drones, cameras, everything just over here. First up, batteries. Very important. Sonys aren't the best with batteries, so we're going to make sure that there's one battery on charge at all times. Also with drones, drone batteries.
Yes.
They take a while to charge up, and then I might just sit down over lunch and just plan out a couple of things as well. So we're in the buggy and we're on the way down to the pool because we've just thought of a really nice photo that we're about to try and attempt. So we're going to get Tim in the bottom of the pool and I'm going to get the drone on the other side. And at the moment, because it's at night, the pool lights are on, so there's going to be an awesome glow. It's 11:30 p.m. We were up since 5 a.m. and we just finished the last shot. Looks epic. Thanks to this guy, the model, pool model. We had to kind of coordinate it pretty cleverly, I guess, because to get the right position, he needs to be in the middle of the pool with maybe what, like half a breath? Because it's low light as well, we had the shutter on about 1 second. Yeah, I think we got it. I think we nailed it. So this is day 3. I woke up at about 5:30. So I haven't had much sleep because we were up till about 12:30 last night.
so it's like 10 to 6. I set my alarm for 5:30, but we had a late night last night.
Holy shit. actually looks awesome. Holy hell, you could not have planned for a better sunrise. Check this out. Oh my lordy. Hurry up!
Gotta get it.
Gotta get it before you send it.
Gotta send it.
Gonna be a good day. Just gonna send it.
Charger, GoPro pole.
Yep.
Tails are down there.
Stay there. Stay there. Yep, that's it.
Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready. Welcome to Instagram Corner. Still waiting.
Lovely couple.
Newlyweds.
How's the honeymoon?
Congratulations for having a blast so far.
Send it.
Send it.
Just gonna send it.
Jess, if you like run your fingers along the rail here, like that. We're just gonna get a really close-up shot of your hand here and the pool in the background.
Okay.
So we've got 9 exposures in general, so we're doing a bit of a flambiant approach. So we've got flash and ambience, just trying to provide a little bit of fill light just on the areas in the window frames and so forth. And then we've just got some flash just around on the furniture so that we can control that detail in there. And then we've just refocused in for the view. And that hopefully should give us our finished shot later.
So essentially there's how many photos altogether that you've taken?
So that's 9 exposures.
9 exposures.
Yeah.
So 9 photos. All of them do different things. So
Yes,
you
so
mentioned
they've all got-
before there's one with just the view.
Yeah.
Making sure you get the beautiful blue, the background and everything.
Just because it's so difficult unless you've got probably about another 5 or 6 different light stands to be able to control the exposure inside and outside and to be able to get that balance. So this way here, at least we can have a little bit of control over obviously our post-process and that as well. So we'll bring them into Photoshop and
Merge them all
basically,
together pretty much, yeah?
Stack them
Yep.
and then bring them together and hopefully it should give us a beautiful finished image.
Day 5 at the edge, and it already is a beautiful day. So lucky that the last few days filming here, we've just absolutely lucked out. Right now, we are doing a photo shoot of a floating breakfast. Part of this resort, or one of the features or like meals you can have, is your breakfast in the pool here. So the bit of a challenge today is because it's so bright. Our photographer Nick, Mohammed Nick, is in Struggle Town, as you can see, because he just can't see his viewfinder. It's so bright out here. Is it all right?
Yeah. Oh shit.
Fuck, you must be roasting in there.
I am.
Oh, sick!
Oh, sorry.
Alright, Tim, reflector. Perfect. Look at this sweat.
I'm not.
This is what it's like shooting here.
It's hard. It's a hard gig. Step into my office. Leaving your gear in a really cold environment. As soon as you go out into tropical weather, your lenses, iPads, everything starts like fogging up. Launching! The idea that I had was to get the drone just below the cliff, fly in a straight line, and then on its axis tilt up a little bit to where the pool is, and then just hold. We've taken 176 raw photos so far out of 350. And by the end of it, we should have a 12-second hyperlapse sequence. Loving it, loving it, loving it.
Three melon cooler and one lychee. One lychee. To the man. Yeah.
This guy. So last day we're just chilling, playing bowling with the butlers.
You got this, bro?
This is how we do it in the pros.
Don't laugh!
These guys.
They've got home ground advantage.
Yeah.
This is not how it's meant to be.
It's 8 o'clock, day 6, and that's a wrap. We're done.
We've done it.
We're going home. Although I don't want to.
Champagne time.
Champagne time.